Hello guys! We're gonna do a KILAY tutorial. Because I'm not a beauty expert, kumuha ako ng beauty expert. Here, it's Kathy. Ito si Katie, ito si Kathy.
Ako talaga si Katie, mama.
Oo, so gagawin namin yung kilay, yung tamang way, kasi mali yung pagkilay ko.
Okay, so what we're going to do today...
May
accent! Kailangan daw kasi ganon pag nag-tutorial.
Tsaka pag makeup artist,
Yeah.
ganon.
So if you're a makeup artist, you have to teach this way.
Oh my gosh, ganyan yung front, yung pag, yung kamay.
So, what we're going to do is to show you how to do your
Using
proper...
pencil, kasi
Yeah,
wala
using
tayong,
pencil.
brow key.
Well, ito yung mga technique lang natin pag ito lang yung meron tayo. So, okay, of course, you have to check your face shape.
Ay, talaga?
Alright.
Okay, so ano shape ng face ko?
Well,
Round?
actually, naka-round ka, Mamshi.
Ay, hindi siya oval.
Naka-round.
Gusto ko sana inverted triangle.
Ay, may ganun pa.
Pag ganun, no? Pag ganun.
Okay. Pero so usually naman
So,
sa
round
contour
ako. Okay,
usually
so
sa
round.
contour naman nag-work yan. Pero actually, depende yun sa kilay na gusto mo, if lolita. Well,
Ay,
hindi
hindi,
naman
kasi
necessary na
Sabi
bawal
nila,
ka nang magkilay ng gusto mo.
dahil nga yung
bawal lang
hooded
yung
eyes
sobra
ko.
dito. Oo.
Dapat daw nakataas na ganun.
Well,
Sabi
hindi
doon
ka
sa
lang,
napanood ko,
hindi ka lang masyadong maglalagay dito sa
Huwag
dulo.
daw pababa.
Oo, kasi pag halimbawa, ang ginawa natin, mag-extend ka dito sa dulo, dun lalong magulat. At saka yung shape mo, dapat medyo straight dito sa ilalim. So, we start by making a wing.
Wing?
Yeah, make a wing, you know, the stroke of the wing. So, kasi usually, kapag medyo cream-based yung pencil mo, mas mahirap siya i-stroke. Kasi pag mabigat yung kamay mo, didiin ng sobra.
Oo nga.
Masyado.
Ganun na nangyayari.
So, if you're using a cream base, always make sure that you have an eyebrow brush. Yung, kasi para, pag halimbawa na na-put mo yung product too much dun sa isang part, you can just wipe the eyebrow brush to at least incorporate yung color dun sa rest nung kilay. At least hindi siya
Lahat
makapal
ba
na
ng
makapal.
pencil creamy?
Hindi.
So,
Okay.
anong marirecommend mong brand?
Ma'am, siya madami na kasi, honestly. And depende talaga sa ano ninyo, sa gusto ninyong brand. So, diba? So, sinotice, sina-outline ko lang talaga yung eyebrows niya. Kasi since na creamy yung pencil natin, it will be a little difficult. Masyado magiging makapal, magiging thicker yung color niya. And normally, may crush ba kayo dito lang siya? Na pwede ito? Or
Ay, ito. Ito pala ano to eh.
powder?
Brow powder. Ayan.
Oh, so right now we have a complete set of eyebrows. Ano ba? Nakakabwisit kapag sasalita ako. So, if you're using a powder, this is usually for outline and then this is for filling.
Oh my gosh, ganun
Yes.
pala yun.
Ano?
Akala ko naman gusto mo lang lighter color yun.
Balik ka doon, Mamshi.
Dapat pala pang linya lang yung nasa labas
Pero ang maganda doon is that you have your pencil which is creamy and then ka-color ng eyebrow powder mo. So, since na-outline natin yung kilay mo and medyo, tawag dito, parang dito mo palang isi-shape yung kilay, diba? So, since na-creamy yung pencil mo, the best thing that you can do para mag-last din yung eyebrow, yung pinaka-drawing, para mag-mattify siya is, papatungan mo ngayon yung pencil. So, i-outline mo muna siya habang sinasmudge mo yung product na ginamit natin. There. And then yung ilalim.
Kilay pa lang 1 oras na.
Oo, tagal talaga ito, mama. Yeah. So, as you noticed, there's a bit change or there's a slight change in the shape of her kilay.
My gosh.
Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Ang social. Yan. And then, once you're done, you fill in the eyebrows with a lighter color. Sometimes I start in the middle. So, I can just simply blend the rest of the dark colors. And then you do a little fading so it won't look as if it's overly lined. Okay? And now, you will see the difference.
Pating. Ay, naku! Plakak na plakak yung kilay. Iba talaga pag makeup artist ang gumawa. So, paano ko kaya ito uulitin?
Hindi, ma'am, siya tuturuan na kita. Ngayon, always start with the shape that you prefer dun sa part ng kilay mo. Kasi diba, hindi talaga parehas ng shape yan all the time. Especially pag medyo na-murder na yung kilay mo. No? Manig-thread, ganyan, hindi talaga siya pantay. So, always start with yung sa eyebrow mo na favorite mo yung shape and mas maganda, which is this one. Kaya napansin nyo, nag-start ako. Para yung gagawin mo sa kabila, susundan mo na lang to. Ipa-pattern mo. Okay. Now, we're going to finish off the entire kilay.
Yung outfit niya ngayon.
And then my outfit is really from New York.
Oo, from New York.
Yeah, like before I came here, I just bought from Macy's.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, and then I went back to Manila.
Ano, sukatan ng magaling magkilay, parang inaantok pa.
And then you start reshaping your other eyebrow.
So, pencil pa rin yan.
Kasi ma'am, siya mas madali pa rin mag-drawing ng pencil all the time. Kumbaga, ito lang yung pang-shape mo eh. Hindi naman yung ano eh. Hindi yung powder. Pero pwede rin yung powder. Though honestly, mas magmamatify yung ano mo, yung kilay mo pagka, yung pencil mo kapag nag-add ka ng powder. So, mas matagal yung lifespan ng kilay mo, hindi basta-basta nagbubura.
Pakak na pakak ba? Okay.
You're done!
So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking beauty expert na si Kathy.
Si Katie nga, mama.
Si Katie pala. Katie na nga siya eh, Katie.
Pares kami, nanay ko rin naman siya.
Thank you so much, Kathy.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much guys for watching the entire video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click down below. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos every week. And also, if you want to watch more of my videos, click here. Thank you guys!